Hello, in this video I will show you how you can hide photos, videos or documents on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open Files, and from here you are able to find Save folder. Open it, and now you have to set up a password for this folder. So you can select pin or the pattern. So let's take pattern for example, and now you have to enter your password that you want. Do it twice and go to this save folder. Now you are able to use your save folder, so go back and let's take videos for example, and I want to hide this video, so I have to hold on it, click these three dots in the top right corner, and here you can find move to save folder. Click on this and enter your password from your save folder, and now as you can see I have this video over here, but I have it in the save folder. I have to enter the password to unlock the save folder, and here is my video. Also, you can hide your save folder by using these three dots and click hide save folder. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.